Have you ever felt something with someone? Going out, hanging out, intimacy. But there's no label, no boyfriend, no girlfriend, no promises of anything. It feels good until it doesn't hits you back. The middle space. Yes, that middle space where you want answers but all you get is the silence. That's called situationship. In today's video, we are breaking it down how to see if you are in one. Why does situationship hurts? And what can you do about it? If you have ever been stuck between friend and partner, this video is for you. So let's get dive in today's topic. According to the experts, the lack of defined boundaries and labeling are the major features of situationship. But what else other than these features? Key signs you might be in a situationship. First one, no labels, no defined relationship kind of talks. The second sign is inconsistent communication. Hot and cold messages, sometimes intense, sometimes you feel very ignored. Third sign is lack of integration. They don't introduce you to family or friends. You are not part of their life beyond private hangouts. The fourth sign is minimal future plans. Rarely talking about upcoming events together. No what about us kind of conversations. The fifth sign is physical connection without emotional depth. Intimacy may exist, but vulnerability, real sharing is missing, is completely missing. Why situationship hurts? The reason may be emotional ambiguity leads to anxiety. When you don't know where you are actually heading or where you are standing, it hurts. The second reason may be cognitive dissonance. Part of you hopes it becomes something good, but part of you knows it, and that's why you feel disappointed. Can situationship be healthy? Sometimes people are okay with casual. They don't want labels or heavy responsibility right now. That's fine if both are on the same page. But then one wants more and the other doesn't, it becomes unbalanced. Basically, it becomes a red flag. Now, the best part is what you can do when you find yourself in a situationship. The first thing, you need to reflect. Ask yourself what you want. Are you okay with casualness or do you want commitment? The second thing is communicate. Bring up the defined relationship kind of talks with your partner. Be honest. I like spending time with you. I want to know where we are going. You need to set boundaries. What you will accept, what you want. Example, seeing others, hanging out only when convenient, etc. The fourth sign and the fourth thing you can do is decision time. If things don't evolve despite talk, you decide whether to continue, adjust the expectations, or walk away. Situationships can feel confusing, painful, and freeing, sometimes all at once. What matters is you don't stay stuck, simply because it's comfortable. If you want clarity, you deserve clarity. If you want commitment, insist on it. And if someone can't meet you there, it's okay to choose your peace. It's okay to choose your path. If this video hit close to you, drop a yes in the comment section. Share your story because you are not alone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And ring the bell so you don't miss the next video. We are diving deeper into love, heartbreak, and growth. Until next time we meet, take care of yourself.